Hi, my name is Faizi. Thanks for watching our video. Today I will share with you about how to make money online. I'm not selling any how to make money online course because I'm not a guru. I just want to share with you the proven method that I know. Before we get started, please subscribe, like and share our channel so you will always get an update from us. Thank you and keep watching. Okay, let us continue. Who should watch this video? The method that we will share is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online from zero, and also suitable for the YouTuber with less than 4,000 hours watching time and less than 1,000 subscribers, and also for YouTuber who is unable to monetize their channel using YouTube partner program due to any reasons. Also suitable for anyone who wants to work from home and anyone who want to earn extra income. Without further ado, let us see the details. Okay, this is my sample channel. This is my new channel that I created on 4th of September last month, and I have only 664 views and only 13 subscribers, but I still can make money because this is organic traffic. The organic traffic means that all the viewers, all the visitors are really searching for my niche, and I have ebook and videos about the same niche. So when they download it, when they click the link, then I get money. Even it's not from YouTube, this is from the method that I share with you. So you can use the same way to monetize the visitors, because in this click I got almost half of the viewers click the link to get the free ebook. So this is the way how you can monetize your channel without 4,000 hours and without 1,000 subscribers. So you should try it. It is working. Let me show how to to add the link in your video description. Okay, this is all my videos. Okay, I will use the same description for the videos to request the viewers to download. So each time they download the ebook, then I will get money from that. Okay, let me show you how to add in the video description. Okay, this is the way how you can put your URL for your ebook. This is a sample. This is my channel, so you don't have to copy mine. You can put your own ebook based on your own niche, based on your channel niche or video niche. Okay, so for me, I put 2 ebooks here. So if the viewers click here to download it or click here to download it, both I will get money. If they click here or here, I will get money. So this is the way how you will make money, just sharing the URL for the ebooks. So you need to follow the step by step. There are only 3 steps for you to follow. Even is suitable even you are new YouTuber or new channel, new videos, or new in online business, you don't have any idea, but if you follow these 3 steps, for sure you can make money. So how I get many ebooks? So you can refer to the case study in the video description below. I share many things about the case study. In the case study about this method. So just follow the step. Only 3 steps. It's very simple. So you should try it. Thank you. Okay, now there are 3 simple steps that you need to follow. The first step, you need to have a targeted niche ebook or video. Second step is you need to generate the tracking URL for that ebook or video. And the last step is to share the URL at any communities or group of discussion. So if you are a YouTuber, you can use that URL and paste it in your video description or your pinned comment. So this is how you can make money using that ebook or video. I will explain in details, so keep watching. Thank you. Okay, now we will move to the real case study. Okay, actually you can download the real case study from the video description below, but let me explain what is the step that we need to follow. There are 3 simple steps that you need to follow. The first step is you need to have ebook or video related to your targeted audience. What is the meaning of targeted audience? For example, your audience niche is diet, so you need to have ebook or video related to diet. Or for example, your audience niche is affiliate marketing, so you need to have ebook or video related to affiliate marketing. So this is the first step that you need to follow. Let us move to the second step. Okay, for the second step, you need to upload your ebook to Google Drive or any sharing cloud, so you will get downloadable link. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, for example, for my case, for this case study, we will use Python resources digital library, because they have a lot of ebooks with their shareable download link, so I don't have to upload it at a Google Drive. So I just copy and paste. I just take the URL for each particular ebook that I want to share, then I will copy it. After that I will paste it. Let me show you. I will copy it, the hyperlink. For example, for affiliate mastery, I copy the hyperlink of this affiliate mastery. Then I copy the entire URL. Then I paste it in the platform. Okay, I paste in the platform in order to get the unique link which I will use to share and to monetize the ebook. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, actually, to have the details, you can download the case study from the video description below, so you will see the step by step in details. Okay, let us move to step number 3. Okay, now we in the last step, which is step number 3. Step number 3, you just need to share the URL that you have generated from the platform at step number 2. Okay, then you can share the URL at any communities or discussion group like Reddit, Facebook group, Google group, or any communities group, and you can paste at the hot topic discussion in the comment section. For example, you can mention that, okay, check this ebook, or I think this ebook might help us to solve this issue. So, but you need to make sure the ebook is related to the topic. Okay, from this case study, we are using 20 different ebooks from 20 different niches. Okay, because the more ebook, the more niches you share, means that you have more audience, more different audience, more targeted audience, so you will get more money from this. And trust me, this is the best method to generate money. You will get your first dollar just using these 3 simple steps. If you are newbie, if you are new with the online business, so this is the best way to start. Just get started now. Okay, what I suggest is you need to download the real case study from the video description below, so you can follow the step-by-step process. It is almost impossible that you cannot make any single dollar with this step. This is proven, and many people already make money online using this step. So you need to try it. You need to try it now. Yeah, this is very simple, only 3 steps, so you should try it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. So I hope this video can help you to make money online. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video, because we will keep sharing the new method to make money online. Okay, thank you for watching. Thanks again.